At Morgan and Mallet International, we specialize in placing trusted professionals within private households worldwide. We are currently recruiting a pet and home assistant to support the daily running of a private residence. This role combines hands-on pet care, especially for dogs, with light household support, including errands, coordination, and maintaining a well-organized home. We are looking for someone reliable, detail-oriented, and genuinely passionate about animals. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.